Hello everyone. Now let's look at a clinical case. Mr. Li went to the hospital for fever of unknown cause. During physical examination, the skin of the right leg was red and swollen, and the temperature was high. It was diagnosed as cellulitis caused by streptococcus. Please think about the following questions. What kind of basic tissue does a real tissue belong to? Why does streptococcus cause the spread of a local infection? With these questions, let's start today's study. In this chapter, we will learn connective tissue. Connective tissue is also composed of cells and extracellular matrix, but compared with epithelial tissue, connective tissue is rich in much more extracellular matrix, which comprises fibers and ground substance. Characteristics: have small number of cells but have much extracellular matrix. The cells in connective tissue have no polarity, and they are widely separated in the extracellular matrix. Have no basal membrane, but have blood vessels and nerves. Functions include connection, support, protection, nutrition, defense, and repair. In broad sense, connective tissue is classified into connective tissue proper, cartilage and bone, and blood. In narrow sense, connective tissue refers to connective tissue proper, which is further classified into loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, adipose tissue, and reticular tissue. Why we say connective tissue proper, cartilage and bone and blood all belong to connective tissue? Because they have the same origination, mesenchyme. Mesenchyme is the tissue derived from the mesosome in the embryonic period. It is composed of mesenchymal cells and matrix. Mesenchymal cells can differentiate into all kinds of cells of connective tissue. In this chapter, we only focus on connective tissue proper. Loose connective tissue is the emphasis since it contains most types of cells and all kinds of fibers found in other varieties of connective tissue. In addition to the normal characteristics, loose connective tissue also contains its own features, have more types of cells, have fewer fibers arranged sparsely, also termed as areolar tissue, have more ground substance. Functions: connection, support, defense, and repair. This is the light micrograph of loose connective tissue obtained from subcutaneous tissue, stretched preparation. We can see the cells and the fibers. Composition: cells, fibroblast, macrophage, plasma cell, mast cell, adipocyte, and differentiated cell, and leukocyte are usually present in the tissue. First, the four types are the emphasis. Extracellular matrix. There are three types of fibers: collagenous fiber, reticular fiber, and elastic fiber. About ground substance, we should master two concepts: molecular sieve and tissue fluid. This is the pattern diagram of the loose connective tissue. We can see fibroblast, macrophage, plasma cell, mast cell, fat cell, neutrophil, lymphocyte, collagen fiber, reticular fiber, and elastic fiber.